Hey there, you're no stranger to the world of YouTubers and influencers, right? Those folks making more money than your regular 9 to 5 job. Well, today, we're delving into the creator economy, a massive $250 billion industry. Stick around because I'll be sharing some do's and don'ts from my journey as a small YouTuber, laying out my wins and mistakes, stuff you can totally learn from. Welcome back to my channel, where we usually chat about all things money making, be it e-commerce, online business, or passive income. Today's a bit different as we are diving into the lucrative world of content creation, a major income source for many. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content that'll help you boost your income. Let's get into it. Now, being a YouTuber is not just a title, it comes with perks that beat a regular 9 to 5 job. Picture this: creative freedom, work from home flexibility, and the grand title of being your own boss. All it takes is video consistency and mastering the art of knowing when to hit that post button. Plus, I've got a YouTube checklist waiting for you in the description box to make things super easy. Now, you're probably itching to know, how on earth do you become a YouTuber? I've broken it down into 5 straightforward steps. Let's start with Step 1. Find your niche. You've probably seen YouTubers doing all sorts of things: makeup, tech, daily life, food, fashion, finance, education, traveling, the list goes on. So, the first step in becoming a YouTuber is picking what you want to make videos about. Think about 3 things: what you love, what you're good at, and what can make you some money. Write down what you're interested in, what you know a lot about, and if that topic can bring in some cash. Find a niche where all 3 of these things match up, and you're on your way to success. For example, let's say you're really into Korean skincare and makeup, and you've been using these products for years. You even know how to tackle acne skin issues. Check if there's a demand for videos about K-beauty. If people want to know, great. Everyone's different, so go find a niche that fits you just right. Write down your ideas in a notebook. Once you've picked your niche, let's move on to Step 2. Research. Start by subscribing and following creators who inspire you. Watch their videos to get ideas, check out how they edit, notice their channel theme when they upload, and what kind of videos are most popular. Get a good overview of their style. Next, research the content you want to make. Check if people want to see it. You can use tools like vidIQ, or just head to the research tab in YouTube Studio to see if there's a demand. For instance, if you're into K-beauty, find the most popular videos on that topic, check the stats in the research tab, and then decide if it's the right topic for you to invest your time and energy into. Once you've chosen your topic, let's move on to Step 3. Recording and editing. Start your video with a hook, like an exciting intro that keeps your viewers interested till the end. Craft a 30-second hook that not only grabs attention but also gives a quick overview of the topic and the benefits viewers will get if they stick around. After the hook, dive into the main content. This is where you share all the valuable information. Make it engaging by using icons and fonts that capture attention. As you wrap up, refer to another video related to the current topic and encourage viewers to subscribe for more valuable content. Make sure your video is top-notch, at least 1080p in quality, and that your voice sounds clear. A combo of great visuals and sound effects can really make your video stand out. If showing your face on YouTube makes you a bit shy, or you simply prefer not to, no need to worry. You can make an AI Bitmoji, just like this, to stand in for you. Many successful channels use characters, and it's pretty cool. Take my word for it. If you're curious to learn more about creating a faceless YouTube channel, drop a comment, and I'll make sure to create content on that too. With this option, there are no more excuses holding you back from starting your YouTube journey. After recording and editing, we're all set for Step 4. Uploading and publishing your content. When it comes to uploading, you need a few important things: a catchy thumbnail, the best title, and a well-thought-out description. Let's start with the thumbnail. I recommend using Canva because it's free, easy for beginners, and user-friendly. Your thumbnail should give a sneak peek of what your video is all about and be eye-catching since it's the first thing people see. Now, your title should have keywords that people often search for on YouTube. For instance, if your video is about Korean skincare, use keywords like K-beauty and Korean skincare to make it easily discoverable. Moving on to the description, this is where you can add your social media links, ask viewers to subscribe, and sprinkle in some SEO keywords and hashtags to boost your video's visibility. Don't forget about end cards. They're those clickable elements you see at the end of a video. Upload your video and consider sharing it on other platforms to get more views. And, of course, don't overlook your community tab on YouTube for sharing your video with your audience there. After uploading, let's dive into the Step 5, Reviewing. This step is super important. Check out the analytics of your video. If it's doing well, awesome job. Take note of the parts that made it stand out. But if things didn't go as planned, don't be discouraged. It's all part of the journey. Here's a secret. Even big creators like Mr. Beast and PewDiePie had videos that didn't do so hot. Especially if you're just starting out, know that the first 100 videos of 90% of creators are considered a bit like practice. It's totally normal. Learn from what didn't work. And remember, you're still winning because you're gaining skills in editing, researching, and more. These skills will pay off, maybe not in this video, but possibly in the next. Keep making videos and don't let low views bring you down. You're on the right track. Let's consider some more tips and tricks that can help you elevate your YouTube channel. Consistency is key. Stick to a regular uploading schedule. Whether it's once a week or twice a month, being consistent helps build a loyal audience. Engage with your community. Respond to comments on your videos, ask for feedback, and involve your audience in your content decisions. This builds a sense of community around your channel. Optimize for search. Use relevant keywords in your video title, description, and tags. This makes your content more discoverable through YouTube's search engine. Create eye-catching thumbnails. Thumbnails are like first impressions. Make them colorful, clear, and compelling to entice viewers to click on your video. Utilize playlists. Group similar videos into playlists. This encourages viewers to watch more of your content and keeps them on your channel longer. Promote on social media. Share your videos on other social media platforms. This can drive traffic to your YouTube channel and attract new viewers. Collaborate with other creators. Partnering with other YouTubers can expose your channel to a new audience. Collaborations can be a great way to grow your subscriber base. Study your analytics. Keep a close eye on your YouTube analytics. Understand what works and what doesn't. This data is invaluable for refining your content strategy. Learn from successful channels. Study successful channels in your niche. Understand their content, engagement strategies, and what makes them stand out. Apply these lessons to your own channel. Invest in quality equipment. If possible, invest in good recording and editing equipment. Better quality videos often lead to better viewer experiences. Patience is a virtue. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time. Be patient, stay committed, and continuously learn and adapt. There you go, the guide to transitioning into a full-time YouTuber in 2024. If you're interested, I can share my YouTube stats and the journey of how I took my channel from 0 to 25k subscribers in the first year. I'll also spill the beans on how much YouTube pays me. Let me know in the comments, and if this video hits 200 likes, I'll reveal my YouTube Studio stats for 2023. Plus, I've included a handy checklist in the description box to help you kickstart your own YouTube channel. Keep that passion alive, stay consistent, and success will surely come your way. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your journey in the comments below. Until next time, happy creating!